How to buy Bitcoin in Trust Wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can buy Bitcoin in Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to buy Bitcoin in Trust Wallet, all you have to do is go ahead and launch the Trust Wallet application and just sign into your account. Then once you sign into your account, you will see this type of interface where what you have to do is just simply tap on the buy option over here. Once you tap the buy option, from here what you want to do is just simply go ahead and then enter your cryptocurrency, which means let's say Bitcoin that you want to buy. After that, enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin. So for $150, I'll get this much of Bitcoin, as you can see, 0.001981 BTC. So I can choose a payment method. I can tap on buy with credit card, then I'll be able to buy Bitcoin. This way you can go ahead and then buy Bitcoin in Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.